Hey y'all! Ever wondered how to turn a living room idea into a million-dollar empire? Let me take you through the incredible journey of Jenny Lei, the 28-year-old CEO of Freya. Jenny started with a failed $30,000 handbag investment in her apartment. An unemployed UX designer at the time, she decided to create a work bag prototype out of sheer frustration with existing options. Fast forward to today, and Freya has pulled in $9 million in revenue over the last year, with $2 million in profit. Now, how did she do it? In February 2019, Jenny used her $300,000 savings from a dropshipping side hustle to create that initial prototype. She found a vegan leather factory in China, ensuring ethical production with good working conditions. The first year was tough, taking a whole year to sell the first 300 bags. But by 2022, Freya hit $1.7 million in revenue, which Jenny reinvested into new designs and marketing. In 2023, they saw $5.3 million in revenue, becoming cash flow positive and paying off their Shopify loans. This year, they're on track for $12 million in revenue. Freya competes in a $22.8 billion global luxury handbag market, alongside giants like Louis Vuitton and Dior. But what sets Freya apart? Jenny's focus on customer loyalty through events, mentorship for young women, and expanding bag styles to reach a wider audience. So, if you think starting a successful business from your living room is impossible, think again. Jenny Lei turned her frustration into a thriving luxury handbag company. What's your next big idea? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See y'all next time.